Top three things in my notebook this morning are the United Kingdom, the U.S. dollar, and natural gas. United Kingdom, number one, this is just a beauty. This Services PMI number in the UK is one of the best numbers, never mind in global macro, of the year to date, but the best number the UK has seen in 16 years. So again, to review the thesis, strong pound equals strong confidence interval, strong purchasing, strong Services PMI, strong growth, precisely our call on the U.S. 10 months ago, and we have it now currently on both Europe in general, particularly Germany and the UK. So again, buy the pound. The pound's up 0.5% versus the dollar today, and yes, we would short dollars and buy pounds. Second point, U.S. dollar. Okay, so if the dollar fails at its trend line, which is just inside of 81 on the U.S. dollar index, what you want to be doing is shorting the dollar because there is absolutely no catalyst to get the dollar up. Notwithstanding that the other currencies that trade versus the dollar are going higher and have the economic data and policy supports behind it, like I said, in the UK, for instance, they do have austerity, and they no longer have Mervyn King at the BOE, so that is relatively hawkish versus the Fed, because, of course, we still have Janet Yellen and the brothers over there at the Fed that are going to do what Bloomberg likes to run headlines on, which are these policies that will signal, quote-unquote, prolonged easing to their hopeful stoking of growth, which, in fact, is going to slow growth, so that's not good, so short the dollar. Natural gas. Now, again, this is one of the only commodities that trades on domestic supply and demand, and that is falling down. Growth slowing signals have become evident now for going on 3 to 4 weeks. And if you look at the commodity flow through to the natural gas price, number one, it broke its trend line, and number two, it's breaking down at an accelerating rate. So last week, natural gas was down 7.8%, and this morning it leads decliners within the commodity complex down 1%. So again, one of the many growth slowing signals that we can see on our screen. We took our short positions up from 4 to 8. Now we have 9 longs, 8 shorts, and a lot of the longs, by the way, are growth slowing longs, which would include gold. So that's that on the top three things.